Welcome to the Peer Mentoring and STEM training. In Module 1, Introduction to Peer Mentoring, we will briefly outline for you the role, responsibilities, duties, and skills needed to be an effective peer mentor. Let's get started. What is mentoring? Mentoring is a formal and or informal process where a more knowledgeable and experienced person initiates a supportive and encouraging relationship with a less experienced person. The goal of this relationship is to improve personal and career development. Now that we understand the definition of mentoring, let's look at mentor responsibilities. A mentor is knowledgeable and experienced. The mentor guides and teaches their mentee through a commitment of mutual growth. A mentor is caring and thoughtful. They facilitate meetings and access to people and places and experiences that are outside of the mentee's normal routine. The mentor is a role model. They provide in word and deed what it means to be ethical, responsible, and compassionate. A mentor is a trusted ally and or advocate who works with the mentee, not for the mentee, to reach their best potential and accomplish their outlined goals. Now that we have a better understanding of what the role of a mentor is, let's examine what a mentor is not. A mentor is not a social worker or therapist. A mentor is not an academic or career advisor, nor is a mentor a tutor. A mentor is not a solution to all problems. A mentor is an individual who provides linkage and resources to their mentee. You may be wondering if you have what it takes to be an effective mentor. Let's examine the characteristics of a good mentor. A good mentor is empathetic, personable, passionate, encouraging, knowledgeable, supportive, and culturally aware. We want to provide a holistic mentoring experience for our mentees. Holistic mentoring focuses on both psychosocial and academic support. Let's look at this further. You may be thinking, how can I provide psychological support to my mentee? Many of these skills are intuitive and you're doing them already each day. You can provide support to your mentee by listening and being encouraging, helping them solve problems and building their self-efficacy. You can help your mentee by being transparent about your fears, anxieties, and uncertainty. You can assist your mentee with goal setting and career navigation through the exploration of interests, abilities, ideas, and beliefs. You can assist your mentee by setting goals related to their personal, educational, and career endeavors. You can provide your mentees with an assessment of their strengths and opportunities so that you can help them develop their full potential. Academic support is one of the cornerstones of peer mentoring. You can provide academic support to your mentee by referring them to tutoring, study skills, and supplemental instruction opportunities across campus. You can link them to resources on campus that will help them to achieve their career and academic goals. You can help them by guiding them through research techniques and literature reviews. You can also provide them with countless opportunities that they may be unaware of. The final component of our definition of holistic mentoring is be the role model. This is the ability of your mentee to learn from your life experiences. Share past and present actions. Be transparent. Disclose life experiences and feelings up to your level of comfort. Share achievements as well as failures. This exchange personifies your mentoring relationship. In closing, remember, mentors are knowledgeable and experienced, caring and thoughtful. Mentors are the role model. Mentors are not solutions to all problems. Remember, you have what it takes to be a mentor. You're knowledgeable and empathetic, personable and passionate. You have the ability to encourage and influence your mentee.